Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, grade 4. Okay, today we have a new lesson 13.4, but it's a little bit related with our first two lessons. By the way, lesson 13.3 will be cancelled. Okay, so skip it and let's move to lesson 13.4. Okay, so let's open your book, page 737. Okay, get yourself ready because we're gonna start this lesson in 2 minutes. Yes, Ryan?
Yeah, do we write the purple? What do you need to find?
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Go up.
Yeah,
Please.
what do you need? The missing measure. So we're gonna find the missing measure today.
Okay.
Yes, Abdul Mohsen?
Mister,
Yes.
we're so close to finishing the book.
Yeah. Actually,
It's just
that's the last week. That's the last week of
the
this
last
semester.
week?
Yeah, that's the last week of this semester, and then the final exams next week, inshallah.
I'm ready.
Mr. Mo'men,
Yeah,
I
I
don't
know.
think the next week, because I think it might be the next week, because this week I think we have to revise. They'll give us worksheets to revise.
No, it's next week, inshallah, will be the exam. Starting from next week, inshallah.
Oh no.
I'm already ready.
Do you have the exam schedule?
Yeah,
You
I
receive
have
it? So
Yeah.
check the dates. Okay?
Because I thought we have to revise, you know.
Ahmed
Yeah,
Chamasi wants to say
we're gonna revise, but it will be Sunday and Monday, I think, because you have Thursday, you have the first exam, the first
Mr.
month,
Ahmed wants
first
to say
final exam
something.
in Thursday, on Tuesday.
So the first exam was going to be on Thursday, next Thursday. Next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday, not this Thursday, next Tuesday.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the first exam, I think.
Okay, I'll look at the exam.
Yeah. Can you check it for me after that? To be sure, okay? Okay. Yes, Abdul Mohsen. Do you need anything else?
No, I was just gonna tell you that Ahmed wants to say something.
Okay. Yes, Ahmed.
The moment I was the first one to join, I was surprised. It's my first time.
First time what?
First time getting in first.
One.
Your voice not clear, Ahmed.
Mr. Mo'men, I can say it. Ahmed Chamasi is his first time to get in the class. The first one.
The first one. Oh, great.
It happened to me 4 times.
Yeah.
Me too.
Okay. What about Faris Salamin? Faris Salamin, what do you know?
Yeah, I didn't see the exams, the exam
Schedule?
plan. Yes,
Okay. Let me
I
check.
didn't receive it.
Let me check, and I will send it. Okay. Let me check first. Okay, prepare yourself, and then before we start our lesson today, take a look to this formulas, because it's so important to keep it in your mind. Again, so important to keep these formulas in your mind. If you want to write it down, write it, but we wrote it before, but it's okay if you want to write it. If you want to picture it, take a screenshot, do as you want. You have 3 minutes to write this, because we're going to use these formulas to get the unknown measures today. Okay, great, Faris. Great to write it down, but you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, you have to study it hard because it's so important in our final exams. Okay,
Where's Mr. Mo'men?
I will put it in my screen for 2 minutes to revise it and to study it. If you didn't write it again because it's so important. Again, it's so important, and we're gonna use it in today's lesson. Okay.
I'm writing.
Rectangle, we have 54 square feet as area, and we have 9 here as base, right? And h here equal n, and n is the symbol of, or the sign of, unknown. So h here is the height, is unknown. So height here is the unknown measure, and we're gonna find it by using the formula of area. As I said before, the formula of the area of rectangle is A equal B times H. So all we have to do to put the numbers of area. So the area here is 54, put it as the same, and the value of the base is 9, and the height is unknown. Okay? So let me ask someone, Yusuf. Yusuf, are you there? Okay, let me ask Ahmed Shamasi.
Okay.
Ahmed, 54
Yeah.
equals 9 times what? So if we don't know what is the value of n here, so can we figure out what is the value of n?
Yeah, we can.
How?
Wait.
So
We will multiply. Mr. Mo'men, I can't hear you.
okay, so we have here 6. So because 9 multiplied by 6 equals 54. So n should equal 6. So the height here is 6 feet.
Okay.
Thank you so much, my dear. Okay, let's move to the next page.
Mr. Mo'men, do we skip a page?
No, the next page.
Okay.
Okay, write this first, and then we're gonna move to the, or firstly write this, and we're gonna explain it. Think Ryan can read this.
Gary is building an outdoor pen in the shape of a rectangle for his dog. He will use 24 meters for fencing. The pen will be 3 meters wide. How long will the pen be?
Okay, great. So first of all, he will use 24 meters of fencing, okay? And the pen will be 3 meters wide. So what is the meaning of wide? Width or length? Ryan?
You already to me?
3 meters wide, so it refers to length or width?
With
Width, excellent. So the width here, the width equals 3 meters. okay? And 24 meters of fencing, so it refers to the perimeter, right? Because we learned before that the perimeter means the outlines or the distance around the shape, right?
Yeah.
So the distance around the pen is 24 meters of fencing. So that's the perimeter.
Yeah.
So we have the perimeter and width.
Width.
So he asked you about how long. So he asked about what? How long will the pen be? So he asked about the length, right?
Yeah. Length.
So the length equals what? So the unknown measure here is the length.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me show you how can we get the length by using the formula of the perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so let me ask Faris Salamin.
Yes.
What is the perimeter of
Definitely.
the formula of the perimeter of rectangle? What is the formula that I showed you at the beginning of the lesson? What is the formula of the perimeter of rectangle?
24 meters.
No, I'm asking about the formula, the rule that we wrote.
Uh,
2 times bracket length plus width, right? That's the formula. Did you write the formula that
yeah.
I show you at the beginning of the lesson? This one?
Yeah, I
Did you write it?
yes.
So this is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Okay?
Okay.
So now let's write the numbers. So the perimeter, according to our problem here, the perimeter is what? 24, right?
Perimeter is yes.
And put the 2 as the same times bracket the length. Do we have the length here in this problem?
Yes.
No, we don't have the
No,
length.
no.
So it's unknown. That's we require to get the length. Okay. Plus, do we have the length? The width, sorry. Do we have the width?
Yes, we have.
Equals 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, now
Right.
we have 24 equals 2 times this bracket, right?
Right.
Okay, if I ask here, 24 equals 2 multiplied by what? 2 multiplied by what gives us 24?
8.
2 multiplied by 8 equals 24?
No. 9. Wait. 11. 11 plus 3.
11 multiplied by 2 equals 24? Okay, let me ask Abdul Mohsen, can you help?
Of course I can help.
Yes, 2 multiplied by what gives us 24?
8.
2 multiplied by 8 equals 24?
Yeah.
No. What about Ryan?
12.
12. Excellent, Ryan. Thank you so much, my dear. So 12, guys. It's 12.
This is
2 multiplied by 12 equals 24.
3 multiplied by 8 gives us 24.
No, I'm
That's
asking
not
for
very
2
bad.
multiplied by what gives us 24. Okay, now,
Yeah, I was in my mind.
as you see, we have 24 here and we have 24 here, right? And we have 2
Yeah.
here and we have 2 here. So they are equal. So this quantity, the bracket equal 12, right? So what plus 3 gives us 12? I think Faris Salamin. Faris Salamin,
Yes.
where did you go? Okay, so we have here what plus 3 equals 12, Faris?
Yes. It's wait.
What plus 3?
9.
9. Excellent. So the question mark here will be 9. And the question mark is the length, right? Do you remember?
Yeah. Right.
So the length here equal 9. So that's the answer. The length equal 9. It's a little bit complicated, but if you follow the rules and follow the steps, you'll get it right. Okay, first of all, put the formula and then put the numbers and then think about it. What is the missing number? You will find it easily. Okay, so write this, guys, and then we're going to move to the next page or the next example. Okay, according to the next example, we have the perimeter of square is 24. Find the side length. Okay, I will ask someone here to give me the formula of perimeter of square. Who can help here? The formula of perimeter of square. Ali Sihati.
Yeah, hello, teacher.
Hi Ali, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Can you give me the formula of perimeter of square?
Okay. It is 2 multiply L plus W.
I'm asking for the perimeter of a square, not the perimeter of a rectangle. That's the perimeter of rectangle. I'm asking for the perimeter of a square.
Mm. Oh, yeah. Uh, 4 multiply by S.
Yeah, great. 4 multiplied by S. Great. Okay,
Sorry.
now, Ali, stay with me.
Okay.
So we have the perimeter is 24, right?
Yeah.
So let me write the number of perimeter 24 equals 4 multiplied by S here is the unknown term, right? Or the unknown number,
Yeah.
okay? So 24 equal 4 multiplied by what?
Um.
From your timetable.
You mean a multiplication of 4?
Yeah,
Okay. Um. Just a minute. Oh yeah, 4 multiplied by 6.
yeah, 4 multiplied by 6. So this question mark should be 6, right?
Yeah.
So the side length equals 6 here.
Teacher,
Yes,
I
thank you
think you
so
are not
much,
here.
Ali.
You're welcome.
Okay, everyone, let's see the last page in this lesson. Be ready because I will ask you guys. Okay, find the unknown measure. The area of the rectangle is 36 square feet. So the area is given here. So we're gonna write the area of rectangle formula. So the formula is base times height. That's the formula of the area of rectangle. So I'll explain by myself number one, and will ask Ryan for number two. Okay. So we have here 36 given because the area is 36, and the base it's unknown, and we're gonna write the height is 3. Okay. So 36 equal what multiplied by 3? So from the timetable, 36 equals 12 multiplied by 3, right? So base here equals 12 feet. So that's the unknown measure, which is base. Okay, what about number two, Ryan?
Yes, Mr. Mo'men.
So find the unknown measure, Ryan, of the rectangle. So we have all the rectangles here, and we need to find the unknown measure here, which is the question mark that you see here. Okay?
Yeah.
So you have the perimeter is 44 centimeters. Okay?
Yeah.
And the base here, or the length, is 12 centimeters. Okay? So can you give me the formula of the perimeter of rectangle?
The current rectangle,
Yes.
2 multiply, yeah, and then what's it called? Bar or length, then plus W is width.
Width. Excellent. Okay. So after that, let us write the numbers, right? Let's write numbers.
Yep.
So what's the perimeter here? What's the value of the perimeter?
What's the ground perimeter? 44 centimeter.
44. Okay. And 2 put it as the same. So do you have the value of length?
No.
No, we have the value of length. You're required to get the value of width.
Width.
Yeah. So we have here the value of length is 12, and the width is unknown. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you tell me, Ryan, 44 equals 2 multiplied by what?
2 multiplied by what?
Yes.
Can I use the paper so I can just know quickly?
Yes. 2 multiplied by what gives us 44?
I don't know. It's really confusing a little bit.
Okay, what do you think 2 multiplied by 20 equals what?
2 multiplied by 20?
Yes.
40. Oh, now I got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now. Okay, now I got it. So it'll be 22.
Yeah, great. So it will be 22. Okay, according to that, 44 is here and 2 is here, and this will be equal to this. So 12 plus what equals 22, man?
12 plus on a plus
Yes. 12 plus what equals 22?
22. I think 10.
10. Excellent. So the unknown measure here is 10 centimeters. So the width is 10. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, Ryan.
You're welcome.
Okay. Let me take number 4, the last one, number 4. Let me ask Abdul Mohsen, number 4, about number 4.
Okay.
Abdul Mohsen, in number 4,
Yeah.
we have a rectangle with 5 meters as height, and we have the area is 90 square meters, and we need to find the base length. Okay, so can you give me the formula of the area?
Okay.
What is the formula of the area of square, or sorry, of rectangle?
90.
I'm asking for the formula, the rule that we wrote at the beginning of the lesson.
B multiply H.
B multiply
No.
H, excellent. B multiply H. So the area is given for you. What is the area of the square here in this problem?
Rectangle.
90, man, 90.
Oh.
The area is 90.
Mhm.
Okay, what is the base length? We don't know. It's the unknown measure multiplied by the 5. Okay. After that, what multiplied by 5 gives us 90? It will be 18, right?
Yeah.
So the unknown measure here is 18. Okay, guys, that's our lesson for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check your homework on Think Central. Bye, everyone.